Hi coffee lover, do you want to make fresh coffee at home but don't have a coffee maker? I will show you how you can brew a fresh cuppa of coffee without any fancy equipment. Let's get started right away.
All you need is a pot and a sieve. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly ground coffee. Pour 1 cup of water, which is just below boiling temperature. Close the pot with the lid and steep for 5 minutes. Once the coffee has finished steeping, place the sieve on your coffee mug. Pour out your freshly brewed coffee.
Sit back and enjoy your freshly brewed coffee.